All right, we are looking at the HUI mining stock index today, and this is in the monthly time frame. And I just want to convey one idea with this chart, and that is that the 4 month correction that we've seen in the precious metals and the mining stocks is nearing completion and potentially is already complete. Um, Given that this correction is complete or nearly complete, the question becomes at what point do we enter a trade for the next up leg or rally? And then, of course, what do we expect to occur on that next rally? And so that's what I'm showing in the pink here. I'm expecting that the UE will it's going to find a bottom somewhere in here, and then the next up leg is going to take us up to 400. And to me, it seems reasonable to expect that at that point, we'll see some kind of pullback from that level would be my guess. Where's my change color on that? That's kind of the action that I'm expecting to see, big picture. And of course, we'll be watching it as it unfolds. And so that's all we're going to look at here at the monthly chart. I'm going to have one more chart. We're still on the UE. We're down in the daily time frame. The pink channel, that's our 4 month correction. We got a downtrending, obviously downtrend there. What's interesting, and this is true of all of the precious metals ETFs that I've looked at so far, GDXJ, GDXL, etc. They all have this pattern going on, where we got a low somewhere down near the bottom of the correction channel. We get a low, we get a bullish gap higher off of that low, and then we get a high. And so there's a low, there's a high. Now we come down, we get a higher low, a higher high, and another. This is last week. We just got another higher low, potentially, assuming that this is the start of the next up leg. And of course, eventually, what we're expect, or what bulls, the bullish perspective, wants to see price break through the top of this downtrend channel and go off and do that. That's what the bulls are waiting for. Um, and again, definition of an uptrend, it's a series of higher lows and higher highs. That's exactly what we have going on here. Um, the other thing I noticed in this chart, if you're into, let me change this color so we don't, we'll just do that. If you're into the concept of Elliott waves, um, something that I noticed in this chart, my feeling on Elliott waves, I find it interesting. I think some of the concepts have value, like the one I'm going to demonstrate right here. Um, but I don't pay enough attention to it to watch every little wiggle and you know not that interested in Elliott wave. I don't see the science in it. It's more of a intuitive, or it's more of an art frame than a science. But anyway, one of the concepts that I do use from Elliott wave is the idea that price moves in five waves and three waves. And when you're looking for a price movement to complete and trying to decide, is that price movement complete, one of the things you can look at is, well, how many waves did the movement cover? In this case, there's leg one down, leg two up, leg three down, leg four up, leg five down. And of course, we got, actually, this is kind of a violation that we got a higher high there. We got an overthrow. But anyway, the concept is that we've now had five waves down. And so potentially this is a completed downtrend. And sure enough, we're seeing hints that a new uptrend has begun. And so that's it, folks. If you're celebrating Christmas today, have a fantastic Christmas. Um, and I will see everyone soon. Bye.